Right, boy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you the physical layer in the OSI model. I was thinking about showing you guys how to do some penetration testing, like some physical attack, but I'm thinking that you need to know the basic and how the physical layer gonna work. So today I'm gonna show you some different way to attack the physical layer and what does that mean in physical layer. I'm gonna show you guys some topology as well. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to start off explaining what is physical layer, what does it do, what type of physical thing we have out there, is there any example, and later on, I'm going to show you guys some different way to attack it. So first, let's explain it. The physical layer is the most first bottom layer of the OSI model, which is the physical, something really physical like electrical representation of the system. It send data bit from one device to another device. um, you can take a look later on, deeply understanding. So basically, it's just going to be 0 and 1 to encode in the signal. It's respond for communication of the unstructured raw data stream over physical medium. Um, in total, we have 7 layers, but today we're just going to focus on the physical layer. We have some topology for the physical layer. So basically, when you connect two devices together, you cause a network. Multi-device connect together from that two device is a bigger network. But I want to start first with the yep. So we got two device connect. It's called point-to-point topology. We got mesh topology, which is multiple device connect to each other, where your device is trying to connect to all the device and vice versa. We have star topologies, where you have a hub or a switch in the middle, and all the device connect to the hub. So the good thing about this topology is when you have one device is not working, the other device is still able to send data to each other, so you won't have disconnection between device. And you have bus topology, basically it's just straight line where every node is representing from one device. So if this guy is broken, then you still have the other device to connect to. You have ring topologies, when a device is broken down in the ring topologies, the other device gonna have to like transfer all the way through different device to reach the end of it. And the last thing is the tree topology. You have one device connect to all device, and that device connect to the different device again, like a binary tree. And you have a hybrid topology, which is a very, very complex one. But if you take a look, it's just a basic bus topologies, and every node is a different type of networking. Like this is like a tree topology. This is just like a star. This is like a ring topology. This is just a single point. So that's how the hybrid topologies work. Um, and I have different type of example for the layer one protocol. You have the Ethernet, you have the Wi-Fi, you got Bluetooth, you got USB. But I also make a list of some example for the physical layer. So instead of the example, I got more things over here for you guys. So the Ethernet cable, the fiber optic cable, coax, USB, NIC. You got more like a wire Ethernet, wireless NIC, which is gonna be very useful later on. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the Wi-Fi adapter. You have wireless transmission, Bluetooth, of course, you know that, radio frequency. You got a hub, you got the repeater, you got a modem, electrical, optical, radio signal. Later on, I'm gonna explain to you guys like what is the difference between the hub and the modem switch. The hub is like a it's like a old version, a dummier unit of it, but that is like a basic idea of the physical layer. Um, so why did I talk about the physical layer today is I want to show you guys some of the way you can attack a physical layer is so you got something like wiretapping. Wiretapping is basically when you got a call between two devices, you are like a one who's gonna monitor the call. You listen to their conversation by connecting to the point where it's gonna tap. It is the same thing as a man in the middle attack, but you just have to like listen to the conversation is like when someone's calling each other, you have to like being the man in the middle to know what they're talking about. That's either the wiretapping attack. I will explain how it's worked later on, but just get like a basic idea of wiretapping. Next I have jamming. Jamming is like when you have a so when the device connect to a router, is connected by the radio signal. You have a device is called radio frequency microphone jammer, where it's intercept the radio length. Make to device is interrupt in the connection, and by using it is illegal actually. Without permission to cause a damage on the network is illegal, so please don't try to do it in any network store or in your local neighborhood. That's unethical and it's illegal, so please don't do it. Um, Physical destruction, of course, cutting the cable or damage the network device. You destroy someone's Wi-Fi router, you cutting their Wi-Fi line, you cutting the landline. That is physical destruction. It's all illegal without permission to do it. So please don't try at home or do someone else to cause harmful. And last thing, you get the evil twin attack, which you set up like a fake Wi-Fi access point to steal credentials. So let's think like you got Starbucks store. You went to someone's Starbucks store. You discover like, hey, this store got the Wi-Fi name is Starbucks from Las Vegas. So it's they call Starbucks slash LA, and you basically make yourself a Wi-Fi router, like a unethical access point. You create like a name, say, hey, this is Starbucks, but instead of using the dash, you use a slash. Say, hey, this is Starbucks dash LA, and you trick people to connect to your Wi-Fi access point. When people connect to the Wi-Fi access point you have, you can literally control what they are browsing, their access point information. So, which is kind of unethical and very illegal. So please don't try to do that. But I'm just showing you like, oh, there's some physical attack out there we can perform on the physical layer. Um, but yeah, there's some more, but I'm just gonna show you a couple of them today. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys how to perform each of them. But that's it for today. If you love my content, you've interest in cybersecurity, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a like. I know the first couple episodes is gonna be a little bit boring, but later on I'm gonna show you guys how to perform some different type of attack. Just stay tuned, support me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.